Hi students, here's your last example. We're going to do a mixed number by a mixed number. So let's say we have 3 1/2 of something and we want to know if we multiply that by 1 1/2, what is that value? So I'll go ahead and I'll model, start with doing 4 pieces because I have 3 1/2. That fourth piece is incomplete. I'm going to use a dotted line. You don't have to use a dotted line here, but when I do multiplication, for some reason I like to do that. Make sure you model or you label your parts. This time I'm going to shade what I don't have. So I don't have this last half. You can shade either way. And I want on the top 1 1/2. Here I already have 1, and now I need to add a half. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that exact model, what I just did, shade what I don't have, and then I only have a half of this, so I'm just going to model that half. So right here is that half. I don't have this portion. Shading what I do not have this time. Before I did not do that. So 1/2. Now I'm going to count my fractions. So right here, this is 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2. Here's where it's a little bit tricky. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces make up a whole. So this one piece is 1/4. So all of these become 1/4. So I have to now total these, find the sum. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 halves plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fourths. Now these denominators are different and I still need to combine them, so I need to make an equivalent fraction here. I want to change it into fourths and multiply that by 2. So I have to multiply the numerator by 2, and I have 14. So 14 fourths plus 7 fourths equals 21 fourths. And then go ahead and change this into a mixed number. So 4 goes into 25 times. I have 1 left over. So 3 1/2 times 1 1/2 is 5 1/4. So go ahead and make sure you've written these notes down. I'm going to, on Schoology should be your classwork and homework for the day. Before you start that, just as we did yesterday, I want you to write the steps to multiplying fractions using a model. Please make sure you are thorough and specific. This should take you about 10 minutes, and then you can start your classwork homework. If you have questions, you can refer back to this video. Have a great day.